So in this video I'm going to be teaching you how to factorise a quadratic when the coefficient of x squared is 1. Now this expression here, this is called a quadratic because the maximum power of x in it is x squared and the coefficient of this x squared term is 1, which is the simpler case. The harder case where it's not 1 I'll cover in my next video. Right, so to begin you write down the pairs of factors or factor pairs for this constant term here. So as 2 is prime, it's just minus 1 and 2, and 1 and minus 2. Now you look at each of your factor pairs, sum the two numbers in them together, and see which pair sums to the coefficient of x, which in our case is minus 1. So if I add these two numbers up, I get minus 1 plus 2, or 1. And if I add these two numbers up, I get 1 minus 2, or just minus 1. So this is the one that sums to minus 1. Okay, so for the next step, which is the final step, I would write it like this. So this is the quadratic that you're wanting to factorise in the first place. I'd write two brackets with x and then a gap after them. And in each of these gaps, I'd write the numbers of the factor pair that I chose. So it worked. So here I've got a 1, so it'll be a 1 or a plus 1, so x plus 1. And here I've got a minus 2, so it's x minus 2. And now, to check your answer, it's always good to include a check that's something like this. So I write check, and I would multiply out the brackets in your factorisation to check it matched your visual quadratic, which you can do by the method that I taught you in my video on multiplying out brackets. Let me just do it here. So you've got x times x minus 2 plus 1 times x minus 2, which is x squared minus 2x plus x minus 2, which comes out as just x squared minus x minus 2, close bracket, which is what I wanted in the first place. So check worked, my answer is correct. So that was how to factorise a quadratic when the coefficient of x squared is 1. Thank you.